Understanding bubble sort in Java. Part 1. One way to sort a list or an array of numbers is to use bubble sort. Let's say I have an array of numbers represented by these 5 rectangles. Here I have an arrow marker that we will use to keep track of the last element. And here I have a key marker that we will use to keep track of the key element that we will do most of our comparisons with. Both of these markers will move as we go through the algorithm. And we'll go through the algorithm step by step. What we're going to do is move our key marker by one spot at a time, making comparisons with elements to its right and swapping numbers that are lower than our key number, than our key element. It will all make sense as we go through the algorithm step by step. Alright, our first key is 9, and I'm going to compare it to the element just right of it. If the element to the right is smaller than our key element, so the element to the right is smaller than our key element, we're going to swap places. So is 6 less than 9? Yes, I'm going to swap their positions. Now I'm going to move the key marker to the right by 1. Again, I'm going to check if the elements to the right of the key position is less than the key value. So is 2 less than 9? Yes, I'll swap them. Okay, we move the key to the right. Is 5 less than 9? Yes, we swap them. Okay. Is 4 less than 9? Yes, we're going to swap them. Whenever the key marker reaches one position just to the left of the ending marker, we're going to move back the key marker to the first element in our array. So we're going to go back to the first element. Since we know that the last element is the largest value, we won't have to visit this last position anymore, or this position anymore. We'll move the ending marker to the left spot by 1 now. So we're back at the first element, which right now is our key element. So again, we're going to check if the element immediately to the right of the key element is less than the key element. So is 2 less than 6? Yes. Now we're going to swap 6 and 2. Now we move our key marker right by 1. Is 5 less than 6? Yes, we're going to swap them. And we move the key marker to the right. Is 4 less than 6? Yes. So we swap them. So after that's done, we reached the end. And now we're going to reset our key back into the first element. Move our ending marker to the left one more. Alright, now let's keep doing what we were doing all along. We're going to check the element to the right of our key element. 5 less than 2? No. We do nothing, so we don't swap, and so we just move our key marker to the right. And is 4 less than 5? Yes, we swap. And since we have nothing else to compare, we're going to reset our key marker back to the first element and move our ending element to the left one more time. And is this element less than 2? No, we have nothing to do. And we've reached the ending element. We have nothing else to compare to. And we're done. Alright, so here's a recap of what happened. We started off with a large number in the beginning, and as we compared it, that large number bubbled to the right. And then we knew that the large number ended up on the right, and so we didn't have to stop here anymore. So we moved our left marker, our ending marker, to the left. Then we bubbled up the second largest number, which happened to be 6. And then we kept going until all of the large numbers bubbled to the right in the order that they belong. And that's the essence of bubble sort. I hope you found this video useful. In our next video, I'll be talking about how to implement this algorithm in Java. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.